Trail groomer for the acreage. Sweet, that's gonna be nice. Some nice template, bro.
Wow, worst pen ever.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video. So this one we're pretty excited to bring to you because it's a little bit more oriented to our actual homestead. That is, we have like a bunch of trails on the property here. The trails are something we use a lot. We really enjoy for hiking and snowmobiling and just getting out and collecting firewood and just something to do on the weekends and stuff. Yeah, we were finally able to build a trail groomer for the 520 here. So here's our Honda Pioneer 520 with tracks on it. And while I'm thinking about it, up front we have a locking front differential, and real quickly what that does is basically makes a four-wheel drive machine, like actually four-wheel drive. So when you stick it in four-wheel drive, the front differential locks up, so you don't get one of the tires or tracks on the front sort of spinning it without any power to it. So it basically becomes really useless, almost just like being two-wheel drive. And so it eliminates that. We are going to have another video on the torque locker in the 520, which will be pretty cool coming up. So this one's pretty exciting. It's just great to have a simple rig like this. It's not quite scrap material, but for us it was just basically material without a home. We had some LVLs that we had to tear apart and modify at a job site. Basically just some small pieces of scrap plywood. There was a piece of 4x6 fir timber left over from a deck we were doing. It came together really well. Basically used a mix of screws, nails, and GRK structural lag screws. Screws have a tendency to basically snap, whereas nails have some flex to them. So it's nice to use both, so you have the benefits of both. It does a really good job, as you can see here. With conditions to go out and go grooming, you'd like fresh snow and ideally cold snow, so below freezing temperatures. If you get a snow and then it goes kind of warm, the snow shrinks down, and then when you do get cold temperatures again, it turns into a kind of crust layer. And that's what you have here, so it's not really digging in. So a good modification would be kind of like a metal serrated cutting edge. But this is just something we had, you know, an hour and a half or two free time, and we had all this kicking around. It works really good for what it is and for what it costs us, which is basically nothing. Here's the rig in its entirety. Just hooked up to the trailer hitch there. Simple drop on. Works great. Yeah, so hope you enjoy the footage of the rig doing its thing out in our trails there. rig. It does a great job and we have lots of fun doing it. It's actually really relaxing to be out in the trail. It's a really short kind of overall unit, so it can get around some tighter trees and stuff. And our trails are pretty tight. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, we're definitely going to have more of the homesteading stuff. Thanks a lot for watching and tuning in, and we'll see you next time.